Hello to everybody out there is watching. Sausage is part of the German lifestyle. It is and was German fast food. Every fast food restaurant in the country is selling bratwurst and fries. Not the Macs, Colonels and Kings, of course. We got about 1,500 different types of sausage made today. Mettwurst was exported already in 1769 to many different countries like England, Russia, and even to India. The traditional German sausage is made from meat, fat, spices, salt, and drinking water. The Mettwurst has a lot of varieties. You can get it in jars as sausage, spreadable, smoked. Okay, let's make some Mettwurst. We're going to mix it. And we also mix it after. Use a little bit bigger one so it makes it easier to mixture without getting the meat all over. We actually use a 4 millimeter plate to get everything through the grinder. It's a little bit more coarse than usually. You can tell the fat. Don't worry about it. Meat is one thing, but the fat is very important for the taste. Mix it so it gets a sticky consistence. Always make sure you got a low temperature. Best temperature would be a little bit above freezing. And you can tell it's getting sticky right now. And this is not a sausage for cooking. It's a sausage you can put in your stew. You can cut to put it on your bread, or you can eat it as it is right out of your hand. Okay, let's put it in the casing. I have to change the, I guess I used that one today. Okay, that's what it looks like. Where's the casing? I got casing 28, 30 millimeter. Put some water in it. To make it a little bit more slippery. Put a knot in there. Okay, where's mine? Okay. Little picker. Okay. I guess that was it. Get some air out. And they're not all the same size, but they're not for resale. They're just for their own purpose. Always try to get as much air out of it as you can. It's easier for drying. Just put it on white bread. Put some pepper on it, and salt, and some onions, and you're set. Try it. Okay, this is the result after filling the sausage casing. We will see after 2 days of drying what it looks like. Temperature should be 13 to 16 degrees Celsius, so it should be a cold place. Probably hard to find because outside it's it's in the 90s right now. So I guess I have to find a fridge or the walk-in cooler where I hang the sausage for drying. And this is what it looks like after 6 hours smoking. Okay, I have to try one right away. Well, 1 or 2 more days drying would help, but very smoky, a little bit salty. Perfect. Mettwurst, the German fast food. Thanks for watching. Sorry. Thanks for watching. See you back next time. The LittleGasthaus, the German sausage maker.